What's up, divas? So I'm back with another video for you guys, and today I will be unboxing some Nadula bundles. They sent me over 3 bundles, so I got a 14, 16, and an 18-inch bundles, and these bundles is Brazilian body weight. So I'm noticing that this box is different from the first box, and I actually love the design of this box. Y'all know I'm all about packaging. Pretty much on the back of the box, it tells you guys how to care for the hair. So I'm just gonna open it, and this is what's in the box. You get some lashes. Card that comes in a box with the Amazon link, and this is the bundles that come inside of the box. So I'm just gonna take that out. So these are all 3 bundles. The bundles do have a rubber band around the plastic to help the bundles from shifting. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm gonna start with the longest length first. It is labeled, it says BW in 18 inches, so that pretty much tells you guys that it is body weight. Bundles do come in a hairnet. This is the pattern of the hair. I'm not getting any shedding. The ends of the hair is really full. Hopefully you guys can see that the ends of the hair is really full, and this is how the bundle is looking. The hair is really soft, and it don't even have a smell to it. And let's go on to the last bundle. And the last bundle is a 14-inch, and this is how it looks. I'm not getting any shedding, and this one is really full because it is 14 inches. And those are the ends of the bundles, really full. So guys, I will be constructing a wig using these bundles. I do have a closure, but I will not be giving you guys any details on that closure because that closure is not from Nadula here at all. So stay tuned.
Planetit Kreative.
This is the finished result. Y'all know I love me some wand curls, okay? These curls are so beautiful. And one thing that I love about using the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray is it does not leave the hair crunchy at all. Now, y'all know I normally don't do baby hairs, but I am starting to get the hang of it. I'm starting to practice a little bit more. I like how the baby hairs look with this style. As far as the hair go, when I washed the hair, I did not receive any type of shedding or tangling when I washed the hair. With this hair, I did condition the hair as well. I let the conditioner sit in the hair for about 20 minutes, and it just made it even more softer than what it originally was. Out of all the 3 bundles, this is how much hair that I do have left over. But guys, I really don't have much to say when it comes to this hair. Amazon is just doing their thing when it comes to these wigs, when it comes to these bundles. If you ladies are looking for some affordable bundles, I will leave all the information down below for you guys. So make sure you guys check out a description box. So I'm going to let you guys know the price of all 3 bundles. The price of all 3 bundles are $91. $91, ladies. But that's all I really have to say about these bundles. Do I recommend this company? Yes, I do. Do I recommend buying these bundles? Yes, I do. If you ladies are looking for some affordable hair, go check out the description box down below. Guys, I am going to be doing my update on my other Nadula wig, so stay tuned for that. Is going to be my final update on this wig. If you ladies want to know all the detail, all the specs on this wig, I'm going to leave my video up top so you guys can go and check it out. I don't really have much to say about this wig. As y'all can see in my previous video, the hair did curl with no problem. As y'all seen just now, the hair straightened with no problem. I get no tangling, no shedding. You basically have to train the wig to go in the direction that it wants to go. As you guys know, this is a lace frontal wig, so the whole front section is a lace frontal and the back is tracks. So pretty much you guys have to take some hair from the frontal to cover the tracks. It could be easily fixed with a hot comb or with a flat iron. I do notice that the little blonde pieces in the front do get frizzy sometimes, so that's why I went in with my argan oil from OGX. But overall, I do like this wig. The vibes was very different. I was really feeling the highlighted pieces in this wig. That's what really made the wig stand out. I did get a lot of compliments when I did wear this wig. But that is all for today. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button as well as smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below as well as turn on all of your post notifications so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.